Thank you. Swerte ko naman. Nakakalito, di ba? Pero dahil birthday ko naman at birthday din ni Raymond, siguro hindi naman masama na mag-wish pa for more. Meron pa kaya? Let's see.
Hey Richard, wait, this is the theme song of My Valentine Girls. Let's call them back on stage, the cast. Of course, Lovey Post, Solan Yusaf, and Richard Gutierrez. Alright guys, congratulations in advance sa Valentine's movie ninyo. And talagang kakaiba to chart kasi alam ko kayo ni Rhea, nagsama na kayo ilang beses sa telebisyon pero first time nyo magkapelikula together. And of course, si Miss Oge naman, talagang kakaiba din yan. Diba? Kumusta yung naging experience mo sa pag-shoot ng trilogy na to?
Very exciting experience. Lahat sila first time ko makatrabaho on the big screen. Kasama natin si Lovey, si Solen, si Miss Eugene na talagang napakasaya. At si Rian. Mag-e-enjoy po kayo sa pelikulang ito. Talagang lalabas kayo ng sinihan na nakangiti ngayong Valentine's Day. So abangan po ninyo. May Valentine Girls, Feb 9 na po yan.
Okay, matanong ko naman si Lovey and Solen. Ano ba ang birthday greeting nyo for Chard?
Well, birthday greeting ko, syempre I wish you more success kung meron pa dahil nandun ka na. Thank you also for being such a good partner. And ayun, dream come true na makasama kita sa pelikula. Thank you.
Wow, thank you also, Lovey. And si Solen naman, I heard may regalo ka daw.
Wait, where's my present? As you can see, sobrang mahal yung mga rapper ko.
What?
Kasi
Here it is.
Special gift, surprise gift.
So, now you have to open it in front of everyone.
You have to open it, Chard.
At ito ang
No way, ginawa mo
pinakahintay
na?
natin sa lahat. Just kidding. I didn't sleep for hours, so you better like it.
Kung hindi nyo po alam, si Solen pa isang painter. So, ang regalo niya kay Chard ay isang portrait. There, baliktad.
Wow.
Wow, thanks, Sos. There you go.
Wait.
Thank you.
Chard, if that is not enough, we also have a gift from Party Pilipinas.
Wow.
This is
Yes.
a jacket from...
A jacket from Party P. Thank you so much, Solen. Thank you. Kaya pala, ginagawa mo na pala to. Kaya sobrang busy. Thank you so much. And this is going to be part of your exhibit, right? That we're watching out for this year.
Yeah, this year. Oh yeah, this year na.
Wow, this is amazing. Thanks, Sos. There you go. Maraming salamat sa inyo, guys. Please invite everyone to watch My Valentine Girls. Kailan ang premiere night ninyo, Chard?
Well, catch the premiere night at SM Mega Mall. So Cinema 9, 7 p.m. directed by Direk Andoy Ranay and Chris Martinez, Dom Zapata.
There you go. From GMA Films and Regal Entertainment, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga fans and supporters na nandito today. Maraming salamat mga kapuso. Abangan nyo po, My Valentine Girls, Feb 9 po yan. Napaka-exciting at napakasayang pelikula.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday!
And ito mga kapuso, makita-kita po tayo dahil mamaya sasamahan din tayo nila sa Showbiz Central Live. Alright?
Yes, and now up next, my beautiful glam girls goes Rihanna on Party Pilipinas Sides.
Stick around.
We'll be right back.